Viewers, India's Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat's Mi-7 helicopter has been crashed. He and his wife were aboard the helicopter. The Indian media, which does not make a minute to blame its neighbours for whatever happens in India, is silent on this worst accident in the history of India. Why is it silent?
India earlier today has left the entire nation shocked and saddened. India's Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat has died in an air crash in the southern Indian state of Tamil Nadu.
Today we will tell you in a special report of White News who is behind the crash of the helicopter of Chief of Defence Staff of the Indian Armed Forces General Bipin Rawat. Who was forced to get General Bipin Rawat out of the room?
Above and beyond headlines, like, follow and subscribe White News.
Bipin Rawat's helicopter was en route to Wellington, Tamil Nadu for the Indian Air Force base at Solur near Coimbatore, and there were a total of 14 people on board, including members of the staff, including General Rawat, his wife General Rawat's aside and their staff. So actually, the Indian Air Force was the first to know when and where Bipin Rawat was going. Remember that the Indian Air Force harbors much hatred for General Bipin Rawat because a few months ago, General Bipin Rawat described the Indian Air Force as a second-tier force whose job is to serve as a helper on the battlefield under the command of the Indian Army.
Air Force is required to provide support to the ground forces. Do not forget that Air Force continues to remain a supporting arm to the armed forces, just as the artillery supports or the engineer support the combatant arms in the army.
According to General Bipin's war doctrine, the real role on the battlefield is played by the Indian Army, on which the then Chief of Indian Air Force sharply criticized General Bipin Rawat.
It is not a supporting role alone. The air power has a huge role to play in any of the integrated battle area. It's not an issue of support alone. And there is a whole lot of things that go into any air power airplane that is made.
General Bipin Rawat was not only disliked by Indian Air Force but also by the General Manoj Mukund Narwane. It is to be noted that General Bipin Rawat had completed his tenure, but since General Bipin Rawat had a special love for Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh and also under special affection of Yogi Adityanath, the CM of UP, and he used to regularly worship in the temples with Yogi Adityanath and also got his photo sessions published in the media, in return for which the Narendra Modi's government extended the tenure of General Bipin Rawat exclusively, for which the Narendra Modi government even had to change the years-old army laws. One of the reasons for the friendship between Modi and General Rawat is the political use of General Rawat, owing to which all the dramas of Pulwama attack and fake surgical strikes had been planned by Modi and Rawat together. Now, if General Rawat is retired and sent home, and at some point Bipin Rawat opens his mouth and these secrets of Modi are exposed, then the whole BJP, including Modi, die their political death. Therefore, it is Modi's dire need to keep Bipin Rawat in power for life. Now, it is important to keep in mind that the former Chief of the Indian Air Force was insulted General Rawat in the media, and the current Indian Army Chief, who is the fierce enemy of General Bipin, both were also in the course mates at the Indian National Defence Training Academy. All these enemies of General Bipin Rawat aside, but what could be the biggest reason for General Rawat's helicopter crash is that General Rawat wanted to disqualify Indian National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. A few days ago, Ajit Doval launched a reckless operation against the rebels in Nagaland, in which not only the Indian Army suffered heavy losses, but also was ridiculed on media, because the people who were branded as rebels and attacked by the army were all unarmed people. But Ajit Doval wanted his failure to be presented in the media as a great success, just like the previous failures. But General Bipin Rawat was not ready to cover any stupid operations of Ajit Doval this time. So in this entire situation, when so many powerful people are your enemies, and as you fly over a rebel-held territory, then it becomes very difficult to decide whether the missile that hit your helicopter belongs to the Indian Air Force or the rebels. Or it may be that the idea of removing Bipin Rawat from the path instead of keeping him in chair for life came to Modi's mind, and this time some other general may have been involved in conspiracy with Modi. Who knows?